Betty's cooking channel. Today I'm gonna make some pumpkin spice muffins with some cream cheese on the top. So let me get started. These are the ingredients that I will be using: pumpkin pie spice, vanilla extract, baking powder, stevia, avocado oil, coconut flour, xanthan gum, erythritol, almond flour, oat flour, and I will be using Swerve along with the cream cheese and sea salt for the frosting for the cake. I have 4 eggs. I'm gonna add to the blender here. Trying to get hands in the camera there. Okay. I'm going to add 1 cup of erythritol and 5 drops of stevia. Okay. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of almond flour. And 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oat fiber. This is not oatmeal flour. This is oat fiber. This is 0 carbs. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm adding 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of avocado oil. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. I preheated the oven at 350 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray silicone molds. I mean, muffins really don't stick anyway to silicone molds, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray them. I have my ice cream scooper here. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the batter to each one of the silicone molds. This is gonna make 6 muffins. I'm using a scoop, about a scoop of batter in each muffin. I'm gonna add a little more to each one. Let me clean up the mess I made. And place them in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And I'm using my small oven over here. It's already preheated. Go ahead and stick it in there. All right, Alexa, set a timer for 25 minutes.
25 minutes, starting now.
It's out of the stove and they look delicious. nice and soft and very nice. I'm going to go ahead and make the frosting for the muffins, and I'm going to taste the muffins after I add the frosting. We don't like a lot of frosting, so it's not going to be a lot, but it'll be good. It's going to be cream cheese frosting, so keep watching. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make the frosting. I have 4 ounces of cream cheese that I'm going to add to the blender here. It's room temperature cheese. Okay, and I'm going to use 1 cup of Swerve. I'm just going to estimate it. Kind of know what 1 cup looks like. Yeah, there we go. And a pinch of salt. Okay, I have 4 ounces of cream cheese in there, and I added 1 cup of Swerve. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the blender here and mix it. Let's see how that goes. Add just a pinch of pumpkin flavor. And a little vanilla. I would say about a pinch of vanilla. And 2 drops of stevia. And let's see. I'm gonna add just a little milk. Not even this is heavy whipping cream. Okay. And that frosting should come together. I don't need much. That's why I only use like 4 ounces of cheese for this recipe. Right. Let me get my spatula. It's over here. I think I need to probably add a little more milk to it. Do that. Okay. It's looking pretty good now. I'll turn the blender off. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and frost these muffins. It's still kind of warm, so I'm gonna have to wait a little while before I frost them. So. Okay, let me take a bite of it. It smells delicious in this kitchen, and I'm gonna take a bite of it right now. Tastes like Thanksgiving pumpkin pie. That's what it tastes like. It is really, really good. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.